आज के इस वीडियो में हम एसिड्स एंड बेसिस के 120 प्लस एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, जो कि है द कॉन्जुगेट बेस ऑफ बाइकार्बोनेट आयन इज़। जहाँ पे हमें कॉन्जुगेट बेस निकालना होगा तो हम गिवन कंपाउंड में H को या हाइड्रोजन को हटा देंगे। तो बाइकार्बोनेट आयन का जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो होता है HCO3 नेगेटिव। तो उसमें से जब हम हाइड्रोजन निकालेंगे तो CO3 बचेगा। सो ऑप्शन सी इज़ राइट। द कॉन्जुगेट एसिड ऑफ HbO4 टू नेगेटिव इज़। जब हमें कॉन्जुगेट एसिड निकालना होगा तो हम गिवन कंपाउंड में एक हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर देंगे। सो ऑप्शन ए इज़ राइट। द कॉन्जुगेट of strong acid is a weak base. Option B is right. The compound that is not a Lewis acid is option A is right. Which of the following is a Lewis acid? Option C is right. Which of the following is Bronsted base? Option B is right. Which of the following is the strongest acid? Option D is right. Which of the following is the strongest acid? Option A is right. The conjugate acid of H2O is option C is right. Which of the following is not a Lewis base? Option B is right. The pK value according to Ricci formula for H3PO4 is option B is right. The basic character of NMe3, NH3 and NF3 follows the order. Option B is right. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding Lewis acids and bases? Option D is right. The correct order of acidic character of hydroacids of group 7 is option A is right. Which of the following has largest value of pKa? Option B is right. Which of the following statement is false? Option A is right. The acidic character of BF3, BMe3 and BH3 follows the order. Option A is right. The acidic character of oxo acids of phosphorus follows the trend. Option A is right. Which of the following is the strongest acid? Option D is right. According to Arrhenius theory, when acids are mixed with water, they. Option B is right. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, bases are those which. Option C is right. Conjugate base of CH3COOH is option C is right. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, bases are those which. Option C is right. The conjugate acid of NH2 negative is option A is right. Which of the following ion or compound has the strongest conjugate base? Option B is right. In reaction, this H positive is. Option B is right. Which is Lewis acid in the following? Option A is right. Which is not the Lewis acid? Option D is right. The acidic characters of oxo acids of P decreases as. Option A is right. The conjugate acid of NH3 is option B is right. Which one of these acts as both acid and bases? Option C is right. Powerful Bronsted base is option A is right. Which one of the following is not a Lewis acid? Option D is right. Which of the following is not a Lewis base? Option B is right. The strongest acid among HClO, HBrO, HClO2, HBrO3 is option C is right. Which one of the following can be classified as a Bronsted base? Option D is right. The conjugated acid, यहाँ बेस की जगह पे एसिड होगा, ऑफ HCl नेगेटिव इज ऑप्शन सी इज राइट. H positive in this reaction is option B is right. Point out the wrong statement in the following. Option B is right. Which one of the following will not act as Bronsted acid? Option D is right. Pick out the Lewis acid from the following. Option A is right. Which one of the following serves as Bronsted acid as well as Bronsted base? Option D is right. The conjugated base in HBr is Br negative. Option C is right. Which is soft acid in the following? Option B is right. Increasing order of acidic property. Option A is right. Which of the following is a strong acid? Option B is right. Which of the following is a weak acid? Option A is right. Which of the following is a strong base? Option B is right. Conjugate in 49 number question, base की जगह पे acid होगा. Option A is right. The conjugate base of HSO4 negative is इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 बेस की जगह पे एसिड होगा and option A is right. Conjugate base of HNO3 is option D is right. Conjugate acid of OH negative is option B is right. Conjugate acid of NH3 is option A is right. Strong acid has a option A is right. Weak acid has a option B is right. Strong base has a option C is right. Weak base has a option D is right. Flux food acid is option A is right. Flux food base is option B is right. Lewis acid is option A is right. Lewis base is option B is right. Nature of Lewis acid is option A is right. Nature of Lewis base is option B is right. Which is not a Lewis acid, option A is right. Which is a Lewis acid, option D is right. Which is a Lewis base, option A is right. Which is a Lewis base, option D is right. Which is a Lewis base, option D is right. Which is a Lewis acid, option D is right. Which is a Lewis base, option D is right. Which is a Lewis acid, option A is right. Which is a Lewis base, option A is right. Which is a Lewis acid, option D is right. Which of the 74 number question is molecules in which the central atom has empty d orbitals are called? Option A is right. According to Arrhenius theory, when base are mixed with water, they, option D is right. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, bases are those, option D is right. Order of increasing acidic acid strength, option B is right. Which of the following is a weak base? Option D is right. Which of the following decreases acid strength? Option A is right. Solvent system concept do not follow, option A is right. Solvent system constant do not follow, option D is right. All simple cations act as a, option A is right. All simple ions act as a, option B is right. Molecules in which the central atom has incomplete octet are called, option D is right. Neutral species having at least one lone pair of electrons are called, option B is right. Negatively charged species are called, option B is right. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, acid is, option D is right. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, base is, option C is right. Conjugate base of weak acid is, option A is right. Conjugate base of NH4 positive होगा, यहाँ पे NH नहीं होगा, ion is, option C is right. Which one of the following species is capable of functioning both as a Bronsted acid and a Bronsted base? Option D is right. Which one of the following is the strongest base? Option A is right. Which according to Bronsted-Lowry concept, acid is, option C is right. Which one of the following is a weak Lewis base? Option D is right. Which one of the following is a weak Bronsted base? Option D is right. Conjugate acid of NH2 negative is, option A is right. Conjugate acid of HPO4 2 negative is, option C is right. Conjugate acid of Cl is, option A is right. Which one of the following is a Lewis base? Option D is right. Which a base is an oxide ion donor and an acid is an oxide ion acceptor. The concept was suggested by, option C is correct. Proton donor and proton acceptor concept of acids and bases are suggested by, option B is right. Conjugate acid of OH ion is, option A is right. Conjugate base of bicarbonate ion is, option B is right. Which of the following represents a set of soft acid and soft base? Option B is right. The conjugate base for the acid HSO4 is, option B is right. The base of the conjugate acid NH4 is, option B is right. The conjugate acid and conjugate base concept was given by, option C is right. The conjugate base of H2PO4 is, option D is right. Which of the following can act as an acid and also a base according to Bronsted-Lowry concept? Option B is right. Which of following statement is wrong? Option A is right. Which one is the strongest acid? Option C is right. Which of the following can act as bases according to Bronsted-Lowry acid base concept? Option D is right. The strongest acid among the halogen acid according to Lowry concept is, option D is right. Which is the strongest base among F negative, Cl negative, Br negative and I negative? Option A is right. Which of the following ions is least basic? Option A is right. Strongest acidic strength is of? Option D is right. Which of the following is weak acid? Option D is right. H3PO4, H3PO3 and H3PO4 are respectively. Option B is right. NH4Cl is in liquid ammonia act as an? Option A is right. The conjugate acid of NH2 negative, यहाँ पे NH2 negative होगा, is? Option C is right. Among the following acids, the one that can act as both an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent is? Option A is right. In I3 negative, option A is right. BF3 is an acid according to? Option C is right. According to Bronsted Lowry concept, the relative strength of the bases CH3COO negative, OH negative and Cl negative are the order. Option A is right. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल थी then don't forget to subscribe my channel. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.